In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a chart to a Salesforce Lightning report. This is a great way to visualize your data, making it easier to interpret and share insights with your team. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide. First, you'll want to start at the Salesforce homepage. Once you're there, look for the Reports tab in the navigation menu and go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the Reports homepage, where you can see a list of all your available reports. Finding the right report is simple. Just browse through your recent reports or use the search bar if you know the specific name of the report you're looking for. Once you've found the report you want to work with, the next step is to click on it. This will open up the report in view mode. Now, to edit and add a chart, look for the Edit button. It's usually located near the top of the screen. Clicking Edit will open the report in editing mode, allowing you to make the changes you need. Now that you have the report open in edit mode, you'll notice an option to Add Chart in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that and you'll see a chart being generated based on the data in your report. Adding a chart gives you a visual representation of your data, which can be incredibly useful for spotting trends or anomalies that might not be immediately obvious from the numbers alone. After adding the chart, you'll want to customize it to best represent your data. To do this, look for the Chart Properties option and give it a click. Here you can customize various aspects of your chart, such as the chart type, colors, and labels to enhance clarity and readability. Spend some time experimenting with different display options like bar charts, pie charts, or line graphs, each of which can offer different perspectives on your data. Choosing how to display your chart is entirely up to you and depends on what you want to emphasize or communicate with your data. Salesforce offers flexibility with several chart types, so pick the one that best suits the data and conclusion you wish to draw. And that's it. You've now added and customized a chart to your Salesforce Lightning report, providing a powerful tool for data analysis and presentation. Remember, a well-designed chart can make complex data more understandable and engaging. So take the time to ensure your visualizations effectively communicate your insights. With these steps, your reporting in Salesforce will not only be more informative, but also visually appealing, which goes a long way in data-driven decision-making. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more tutorials on making the most out of your Salesforce tools.